Hello everyone, 大家好。Welcome to 有朋 Chinese. I'm 刘老师。Today I'm going to teach you how to use Chinese verb 是。In Chinese, 是 is used to connect two nouns. 我是留学生。我是留学生。I'm an international student. 他们是外国人。他们是外国人。They are foreigners. The first thing to notice is that Chinese nouns have only one form, and Chinese verbs also have only one form. So in Chinese, nouns have no number, and verbs have no conjugation. This is a very important feature to make Chinese easy to learn. The above comment is of course correct, but let me just remind you that it is not comprehensive. In some other respects, Chinese grammar is also very difficult. This point is well expressed by a friend of mine on Twitter. She said, I really enjoy how simple yet complex it is. It doesn't have verb conjugations or gendered grammar. It's quite amazing, really. Yes, Chinese grammar is simple and complex. This is really a very good phrase to describe Chinese grammar. Now let's use the two famous politicians' names to practice. 邓小平是中国人。邓小平是中国人。奥巴马是美国人。奥巴马是美国人。苹果是一种水果。Apple is a kind of fruit. 也是公司的名字。Also the name of a company, Apple Company. 苹果是一种水果，也是公司的名字。The negative form of 是 is 不是。You just put 不 in front of 是 that's okay. 我不是留学生。I'm not an international student. 他们不是外国人。They are not foreigners. The sentence we just learned, 苹果也是公司的名字 also has an adverb 也 and it is also placed in front of verb. So in Chinese, we put adverbs in front of a verb. This is another important feature of Chinese grammar. Now please listen to a short conversation. 他是谁？
半沢直樹。
日语是半沢直樹，汉语是什么？
我不知道。
汉语是半泽直树。半泽直树 is the name of a very famous Japanese TV series. It is also the name of the main character. Now let's practice. Please repeat after me. 这是钱包。This is a wallet. 那是我的东西。That is my thing. 哥哥是公司职员。Brother is a company employee. 张三不是上海人。张三 is not a Shanghainese. It's bonus time. By bonus, I mean, although today's grammar is perhaps very simple, after learning this, you can express some very complicated meaning. That's my bonus for you. Bonus number 1. 是 can be used to express metaphor. It can be used in a metaphor sentence. For example, 老师是灯塔。Teacher is a lighthouse. Another example is 他是我的钱包。He is my wallet. Bonus number 2 is you can use the sentence pattern A 是 A, B 是 B, to emphasize the meaning that A and B are not the same. For example, 你是你，我是我 So you are not me, and I am not you, so we are different. For the sentence 老师是灯塔 If you don't agree, you can say 老师是老师，灯塔是灯塔 So teacher is not a lighthouse. So you strongly emphasize that you don't agree that teacher is a lighthouse. In Chinese, it is not polite. I believe in English it's also not polite to ask who you are. So 你是谁 is not a polite way to ask question. In that case, you say 您是 But people are not always speaking politely. Sometimes they use the unpolite way. So in case you are asked 你是谁 the answer is 我是张三，我是李四 etc. Let's recap what we had learned so far. In Chinese, 是 is used to connect two nouns. For example, 我是留学生 The negative form of 是 is 不是 For example, 他们不是外国人 不 is an adverb. In Chinese, adverb is placed in front of a verb. Another example is 苹果也是公司的名字 The bonus of today's lesson is that you can use 是 to express very complicated meaning. For example, 老师是灯塔 Another example is 你是你，我是我 If you want to see how 是 is used in natural conversations, you can see my video 这是什么 And if you want to practice the usage of 是 with new vocabularies, please watch 是 construction for beginners. You can see below for the links. 您正在看的是有朋汉语，谢谢观看，再见。